So today I'm going to show you how to fit your own tape-in hair extensions at home using Endaring hair to take your hair from this to this. How amazing! These are rooted as well, so if you have got highlights in your hair but you get a little bit of regrowth, don't worry because these have got the regrowth built in. First things first, let's section the hair off like this. Single-sided tape and the piece of extension that you have cut to size. So with the single-sided tape you are going to measure out exactly how long that piece of extension is, so there to there, and then you're going to cut it. I've also got a mirror here and here so I can see what I'm doing front ways and back ways. Okay, so that is now stuck down. Do not stick it too far up. So can you see how I have left a little bit of hair there? Because when you flip the hair up in a minute, you need it to have just enough movement so that you're not feeling uncomfortable. Obviously, if your extensions are too tight, then it's going to cause traction alopecia, which we do not want. You're going to give it a good push down all the way. Go in with your comb underneath, and then lift up. So when you push the hair up, you're going to want to press the hair into the sticky side of the extension like so, and then you can get your comb and just brush the hair up, and then you're going to want to get a clip to clip it all. So I know I look like a mad woman right now, but trust the process. It's time for the single-sided tape to be attached. I would do corner to corner to make sure that you've gone along. And again, don't do it too close to the root. And you can see already that the colour match is perfect. So I have also cut the next piece and I have sectioned my hair again. So the next piece, you're going to want it to be a little bit longer to cover a little bit more surface area of your head. We have the next piece here, and we also have the next single-sided tape ready. So I'm going to put that down to one side, single-sided tape, and stick that to the extensions. And as you can see, that's after just putting two pieces in. Okay, so for the side pieces, you're going to want to go in at an angle. So you want it to be higher in the front and lower in the back. So if you suffer with thinning hair around the front, you can use a smaller piece to just fill out the front parts, which is what I'm about to do now. So I pop it down, not too close to the front, just like so, and then it is the same process as before. So pop your comb underneath. You're going to want to get your piece of tape and stick that onto. And then you have got much more hair at the front now. So you can also cut into this, which is what I will do. And this is the result. I have not cut into these yet at all. So once I have trimmed them, they will look a lot more natural. Are absolutely phenomenal. Such high quality. Like the colour match is just incredible. Look at that.